Want to make this game a little harder or easier? Pick the level you want. Level 1 is the easiest. Level 2 is medium. And level 3 is the hardest. If you're sure you want to make the game a little harder, click yes. Click no if you don't. If you're sure you want to make the game a little easier, click yes. Click no if you don't. Wow! You've earned all the bronze coins in this game. Great job! Do you want to start earning silver coins? Click yes if you do. Click no if you don't. You've earned all the silver coins for this game. Yippee! Do you want to start earning gold coins? Click yes if you do. Click no if you don't. Super job! You've earned all of the gold coins for this game. Yay! Easiest, middle, hardest. Back to the game. Yes, no.
I always make sure that food is put away in the right place so it stays really fresh. You can help me by clicking on the groceries and then click where they go. The refrigerator, the freezer, or the cabinet. Click on the big green Go button and we'll start putting the groceries away. Where should we put the cereal? These are cookies. Could you please put them away for me? Where should we put the soup? Noodles. Where do noodles belong? This is lunch meat. Could you please put it away for me? Where should we put the chicken? This is cheese. Could you please put it away for me? Carrots. Where do carrots belong? Hot dogs. Where do hot dogs belong? Where should we put the milk? This is orange juice. Could you please put it away for me? Fish. Where does fish belong? Ice. Where does ice belong? This is ice cream. Could you please put it away for me? This is a can of baked beans. Could you please put it away for me? Where should we put the peanuts? Rice. Where does rice belong? Where should we put the ham? This is bacon. Could you please put it away for me? Where should we put the yogurt? Where should we put the steak? These are eggs. Could you please put them away for me? Strawberries. Where do strawberries belong? Where should we put the ice pops? Donuts. Where do donuts belong? Where should we put the honey? This is a potato. Could you please put it away for me? Where should we put the butter? This is whipped cream. Could you please put it away for me? Pork chops. Where do pork chops belong? Broccoli. Where does broccoli belong? Frozen waffles. Where do frozen waffles belong? Click on the food and then click where it should go. Now, click on the place where this goes. Give it another try, pal. Nice try. But I think it might go somewhere else. Way to go! Excellent job. You're a super duper helper. That needs to be freezing cold. That needs to be cold, but not frozen. That doesn't have to be kept cold. Where does it go?